Peterobi, the former presidential candidate of the Labour Party, visited the Kirikiri Medium Correctional Centre in Lagos to show support for a teenager who stood in front of his convoy during the 2023 election campaign. The boy, Alabi Yusuf Quadri, gained attention in 2023 after he stood up bravely in front of Obi's convoy in Lagos. Many people admired his courage at the time. However, he has been in prison since January 2025. Obi, through the Obedience Movement, sent a team to visit Quadri in prison. They also met with his mother and sister to show support for the family. The team included top members of the Obedience group like Yunus Atanko, Maurice Moye, and activist Moses Paul. Photos from the visit were shared online, and Obi's team said they were standing in solidarity with the family. A human rights lawyer, Inibe Effiong, also visited Quadri earlier and confirmed that the teenager is still in custody. In the same vein, Obi warned that Nigeria is facing serious economic problems. At a Labour Party meeting in Abuja, he said the country is collapsing and needs urgent help. He called on leaders and citizens to be brave and take action. Obi's recent visit and messages shows he's still active in speaking up for justice and supporting young Nigerians. Though the story has gained traction online, we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Do drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.